The 2026 Volvo EX60 immediately stands out with its futuristic and minimalist design. Volvo's signature Scandinavian style is combined with sharper, more modern lines. At the front, the updated Thor's hammer, LED headlights, a closed-off grille, and a sleek aerodynamic hood clearly highlight its fully electric identity. From the side, smooth body lines, flush door handles, and large aerodynamic alloy wheels enhance both efficiency and visual appeal. At the rear, the extended LED taillights and clean, confident design give the EX60 a premium and modern presence. The Volvo EX60 is built on a fully electric platform, delivering powerful yet silent performance. It is expected to be available in single-motor and dual-motor AWD versions, with the dual-motor setup providing strong acceleration and excellent road stability. On a full charge, the EX60 offers an estimated driving range of around 500 kilometers. Thanks to fast-charging technology, the battery can be recharged up to 80% in just 20 to 30 minutes, making long trips more convenient. Advanced safety and driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking, ensure a smooth and secure driving experience. Inside the EX60, comfort and technology take center stage. The minimalist cabin design features premium, eco-friendly materials and a spacious layout. A large vertical touchscreen, Google-based infotainment system, and a fully digital instrument cluster dominate the dashboard. The seats are designed for maximum comfort on long drives, while excellent sound insulation keeps the cabin quiet and relaxing. A panoramic glass roof fills the interior with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. The 2026 Volvo EX60 interior perfectly blends futuristic technology with everyday practicality.